likes affirmations? Some good affirmations to start the day. So I would like us to look into this, right? Are you ready? All right. Throat is back. All right, the first one. I trust myself and my abilities to lead my business. I am capable and competent in all that I do. I am worthy of achieving my goals and living my dream. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. My business is a reflection of my passion and dedication. A round of applause, please, for yourselves as you take a seat.